Hello, everyone, and welcome back. You're listening to Weekly AI News with Shaily. I'm Shailendra Kumar, your guide to the latest and greatest in AI and machine learning. This week, the AI universe is buzzing with breakthroughs that are not only pushing the boundaries of technology, but reshaping how we interact with intelligent systems daily. From OpenAI's powerful new GPT-5 Pro to innovations promising safer AI and even cinematic video generated from text, there's a lot to unpack. So buckle up, grab your virtual notepad, and let's dive into these highlights that could very well define the AI landscape for years to come. First up, let's talk about the headline maker. OpenAI's launch of GPT-5 Pro, unveiled during their Dev Day 2025 event earlier this month. Now, GPT-5 Pro isn't just another upgrade, it's a leap in speed and contextual understanding, the kind of brains you want inside your chatbot or AI assistant. But the real game changer, OpenAI didn't stop at a model release. They launched the Apps SDK and AgentKit developer tools that let coders build entire interactive apps and intelligent AI agents directly within the ChatGPT ecosystem. Imagine ChatGPT as an AI app store buzzing with life. This platform already serves a whopping 800 million weekly users. With partners like Zillow, Canva, Figma, and Coursera on board, this opens doors for everything from smarter design tools to personalized learning assistants, all unified in one playground. Here's the kicker. By blending massive AI capabilities with developer friendly tools, OpenAI is turning isolated AI models into a vibrant ecosystem. The challenge now shifts from can AI do this to what cool thing won't AI do next? A bonus tip for developers tuning in: keep an eye on the Agent Kit. It's designed to help your AI agents act autonomously but safely, a huge plus in complex real world applications where simple chatbots fall short. So here's a thought to chew on. How will the rise of AI app ecosystems change the way we think about software development? Are we headed toward a future where AI apps become as commonplace as smartphones? Speaking of stepping up the game, OpenAI also gave us a glimpse of the future of content creation with Sora 2, their new text to video generation marvel. This model can whip up to 60 seconds of cinema quality video just from a textual description, bringing in enhanced realism, smooth motion, consistent lighting, you name it. And they added Cameo, a nifty tool that lets you insert personalized characters into these AI generated videos. Imagine creating marketing videos or even storytelling scenes starring you or your avatar, all generated in minutes. From an AI practitioner's perspective, this shift from generating still images or text to dynamic videos is huge. It pushes generative AI onto a new creative frontier with broad implications for advertising, entertainment, and personalized media. Plus, the question lingers: how will this technology redefine content authenticity and trust? If you're a content creator or marketer out there wondering how to leverage AI, here's a bonus takeaway. Start experimenting with multimodal prompts and think beyond text. Video first AI tools like Sora 2 are primed to become standard in your creative toolkit sooner than you think. Now, let's pivot to something a bit more technical but equally impactful: the introduction of BEKAN, boundary condition, guaranteed, evolutionary Kolmogorov Arnold networks. Sounds complex? It is, but here's the essence. BEKAN is a new neural network architecture designed specifically for solving partial differential equations, which are the mathematical backbone of modeling everything from fluid dynamics to heat transfer. What sets BEKAN apart is its clever integration of boundary conditions. Think of them as the rules of the game that your model must obey physically, directly into the neural network structure. The result? More reliable and stable simulations that remain faithful to physical laws, which is critical in scientific computing fields where error margins can cost millions. This breakthrough exemplifies how AI is becoming a trusted partner for scientists and engineers, not just a black box tool. The future here high-fidelity simulations accelerating innovation in climate science, aerospace, and beyond. A little food for thought. How important is embedding domain knowledge in AI models, especially in scientific applications, versus pure data driven approaches? Something worth reflecting on as AI keeps moving into specialized fields. Switching gears, but staying in the realm of trust and control, an exciting development emerged around AI safety. Kartik Pandit and team unveiled a certifiable safety framework for reinforcement learning from human feedback, or RLHF. If you've dabbled with language models, you know they sometimes get tripped up by adversarial prompts, inputs designed to confuse or manipulate the AI. This new method offers provable guarantees that restrict such vulnerabilities by applying fixed penalty constraints during training. Simply put, it's like having safety rails on a wild AI roller coaster. This innovation is crucial as AI moves into sensitive sectors like healthcare or finance. We absolutely need assurances that models behave within safe boundaries and won't produce harmful or biased outputs. For those building or deploying AI systems, here's a bonus insight. Integrating certifiable safety checks early in model development can save reputations and lives later. Trustworthy AI is not just a luxury, it's an imperative. And here's a reflection. How will provable safety in AI models shape regulatory frameworks and public trust in the next 5 years? Last but not least, a fascinating story originating from China. DeepSeek's announcement of the R1 model, boasting comparable AI performance at 70% less cost than similar US models. How is that possible? Through custom hardware and savvy training optimizations, DeepSeek demonstrates that innovation isn't just about algorithmic improvements, it's also about engineering efficiency at every layer. This challenges the conventional AI heavyweight model and highlights an intensifying global race in AI development. This development isn't just a tech curiosity, it signals shifting geopolitics around AI capabilities and accessibility. For enterprises and researchers alike, it underscores the importance of balancing cutting edge AI research with cost effectiveness. A quick tip: keep an eye on hardware software co design in AI projects. Sometimes the biggest gains aren't from new algorithms, but from smarter engineering. Here's a provocative question for you. In a globally competitive AI landscape, how will cost efficiency and innovation reshape who leads AI breakthroughs in the coming decade? So, what ties all these exciting stories together? It's this evolving panorama where AI is becoming smarter, safer, more accessible, and deeply integrated into everything from creative arts to scientific discovery. And OpenAI's platform push with GPT-5 Pro might just be that one anchor development shaping the overall ecosystem by bringing an unprecedented number of developers and users into the fold. Before we sign off, I want to leave you with a thought. AI's greatest promise is not just intelligence, but the ecosystem we build around it. Powerful tech combined with community and tools. This is where transformation lives. If you've enjoyed today's insights, don't forget to connect with me on YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Medium. I love hearing your thoughts and discussing how AI is changing our world. And if you want to keep these weekly updates coming your way, hit subscribe and share this podcast with anyone curious about the future of AI. Your feedback shapes the conversation, so drop a comment or send in your questions. Thanks for tuning in to Weekly AI News with Shaily. Until next week, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep making money out of data.